Dear candidate, welcome to today's webinar on LanguageCert Online Proctored Exam Registration. First of all, visit languagecert.org/account/register and create your account. Make sure you enter your first name, middle name included, and surname exactly as they appear on your legal ID. Fill in the field's email address, country of residence, select the password, accept our terms, and click on Join. You are now viewing your homepage. Locate the code field right under the Register for your exam message. Type in your 16-digit code and click on Confirm. You will be prompted to add additional data for your exam, such as exam language, exam location, exam postal address, and exam country. Proceed and click on Confirm my exam. A new window will appear for you to choose a date and time for your exam. First of all, select the correct time zone. You may choose the proctor's language among English, Chinese, French, Italian, Japanese, and Spanish. You may select the desired date by using the right or left arrow. Switch between the three sections to view the available slots throughout the day. Click on a slot and finally click on Submit. Congratulations! You are now successfully registered to your exam. You may view all the details under the section My Exams. At this point, you can select our add-on service, Take 2. Take 2 is a straightforward, convenient, and affordable solution to reciting exams. It offers you peace of mind, complements your training, and adds value to our joint exam offering. Take 2 is available through online exams and is activated in case of exam failure. You may add the Take 2 by clicking Buy Take 2 up to 15 minutes in advance of the initial exam. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Select payment method between credit or debit card or PayPal, and click on Complete your order. Please note that Take 2 can be taken up to 6 months from the date of the initial exam. Thank you for watching today's webinar, and good luck on your exam.